Hello students, welcome to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a buttonhole using the butterfly table machine. Now let's get to work. This is my buttonhole foot. It actually came with the machine. You can get yours at the markets. So I'll fix this now. So there's this red line by the side you need to follow. So depending on how big or small you want the holes to be, you have to position the red one inside where you want it to start and to stop. So 1 is to go down, like by the side. 2 is for under. And 3 is to go up, the other side. 4 is for up as well. Let me show you. So I've chalked my fabric where I want to place it. So I'm going to use 1 to go down. Let me show you that now. The next thing is 2, which is for under. Let me show you. The next one is 3, which is the other side, which will move up. And the next one is 4. And that is that on how to make a buttonhole. See how it turned out, guys. Very nice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in our next video. Bye.